Every successful people you ever admire, he can be actor, he may be athletes, he may be successful, successful cricketer, he may be successful businessman. Whomever you admire, he had one secret, and that is called the secret. The small step every day lead to the big success. Yes, friend, this is a very powerful topic which I would like to share with you. If you really want to make success yourself, if you really want to make rich yourself, so you don't try to big intensity action, you don't try to be, and you don't try to be intensity. Why? Because if you think that if I take a bigger action, then if I take a bigger move, then my life will change. No, don't think like that, and don't get into this bullshit, because this bullshit can spoil and tear you up. It can drain your energy, it can demotivate you. One day you will quit and you will say, this is not cup of my tea, I can't do it. So if you really want to know the, if you really want to know the formulas, if you really want to know the powerful technique which can help you to change your life, change your way of thinking, and which can help you to break the boundary of your life, break the limiting belief of your life, fixed mindset of your life, so this topic is only for you. So hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach, and Hooponopono healer, and my today topic is every small step lead to the big success. This is really amazing topic. So today I would like to share three powerful formula, which if you follow these three formula can change your entire life. These three formula can change your entire way of thinking, entire way of believing. The first and most important formula is consistency is more powerful than intensity. Why it is important? I would like to share one story, because I would like to complete this topic with the help of a story. There was one farmer, he belongs to the China. He saw one bamboo tree seeds in the land, and he began to water that bamboo tree seeds. Everybody was watching to him, everybody began to laugh. Why everybody was laughing? Because there was nothing was happening in that seeds. There was no sprout, there was no sign of growth, there was no sign of success, nothing was showing there. So everybody began to laugh him, everybody began to make fun of him, everybody began to criticize him, and everybody began to call him a crazy. This man is crazy, he doesn't know anything about, and he's every day watering this seeds. He thinks that this seeds is going to give him a fruit. But that person didn't quit, that person didn't give up, because he knew that something is going to happen inside. When inside process will end, then outside process will start. After, he kept watering that seed 5 years, not 1 year, not 2 year, not 3 year, not 4 year, completely 5 year. After 5 year, that in a 6 year, that bamboo seeds grown up. Within a 6 week, that bamboo tree went from 0 inch to 90 feet. Everybody began to feel shocked. How it can be possible? It can be possible because the tree was growing inside, grounded. And when the ground process has finished, then up process come, and he went from 0 to 90 feet. So you have to understand, if you're doing something consistently, so somewhere you are growing yourself, somewhere you are giving confidence, somewhere you are upgrading yourself, somewhere you are improving your skills. So don't fear that if you're not getting result, it means somewhere you are growing, somewhere you are improving, somewhere you are upgrading yourself. The second important point is a small step bring momentum. Every small step bring momentum. Yes friend, I would like to share one story. There was a boy, he was fearing speaking English, so he didn't use one single word in front of everybody because he was feeling nervous. One day he went to his teacher. He said that, sir, I would like to speak in English fluently, but I don't know that how can I make it possible. His teacher said that if you really want to speak English fluently, so you will have to follow one formula. This formula can change your entire process of learning English. He said, sir, I'm ready to do that, but you tell me. So his teacher said, you choose 5 sentences every day. Every day you will have to speak 5 sentences differently. And if you choose it, if you do it, if you practice it, one day you become a very fluent in English. He did it 6 years continuously without any break. He did it 6 months continuously. After 6 months, he become a very fluent speaker. When he come to his teacher, and he said that, sir, because of your formula, a small step bring a momentum in a life. My life has changed in the purpose of English, as per English conversation and English communication. So I am able to talk now, everybody confidently. I am able to share my opinion. I am able to share my point of view, everybody confidently. Now I turned my fear into fluency. This is a very, very, very big result for me. So this is the things. If you if you really want to improve something, I don't say only about English, you can also improve your another language, you can improve your communication skill, you can improve your public speaking skill, you can improve your computer skill. There are so many skills, you can choose one of them and you can improve, but you will have to follow this formula 5 5 5. It means if you are going to improve your public speaking, choose 5 sentence, 5 powerful sentence. If you are going to improve your communication skill, choose 5 sentence. This 5 formula can change your entire life. And the third and most important thing is, do you really want to know about the third point? The third point is the secret showing up every day. The secret of showing up every day. This is very powerful formula. I would like to share one powerful story. There was one runner. He couldn't run 500 meter every day. He couldn't run 500 meter every day. But once he decided that I don't like to do that, I feel like to quitting that. But he said, no, 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 no. If I quit, I don't get anything. Then he decided that I am going to follow and I am going to practice, and he decided. And he kept running 500 meter every day. After 1 week, he started running 1 kilometer every day. After 3 weeks, he started running 3 kilometer every day. And after 1 year, he became marathon racer, and he won gold medal, and he became a successful racer. How it is a possible? It was possible when he started at first time. He run 500 meters, he began to fainting, he began to breathing highly, and he said that it is not cup of my tea. But he didn't quit. He decided that I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. Do it now, do it now, do it now. And he became a marathon racer. So if you really want to get success in any field, not only I'm talking about small or big, any field, follow this formula. First, consistency is more powerful than intensity. Second, the secret of showing up every day. The third, small step bring momentum in your life. If you follow these three formula can change your life. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I really love you. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon and like to my video. I love you all. Thank you so much.